you doing? John Krouse from Next Key Real Estate here. I've got a terrific New Englander style bungalow home hitting the market. It contains right around 1,000 square foot of living space. Upstairs is 2 bedrooms, and then on this level, which is the main level, we're in the kitchen currently. We have a bathroom, full bath with a washer and dryer in it, and then living area is over this way. But the kitchen is really nice for this place as it's expansive for eating in. You can put a dining room table and enjoy company as everybody seems to mingle in the kitchen. How about this enclosed wraparound porch? All glassed in. You can open it in the summer to get a breeze. You get to look out into your over half an acre yard to enjoy the birds, enjoy a cup of coffee out here in the morning, or just have some social gatherings in here that would enable you to just take advantage of being outside, but being out of bugs. And you can close the windows and even throw a heater out here to warm yourself in the cooler time. You got to check out this garage. It's very unique. It has an attic and a downstairs. So come on in, I want to show it to you quick. Not typical something we'd highlight a garage. However, the level here we're on is supported enough to support a vehicle. Upstairs, we have a whole attic that's terrific for storage. With the stairwell going up, very simple to put stuff up there. And then below that is access to the basement, and we're going to show you this once we can flip everything around. This trap door goes up and there's stairs going down into the basement. These stairs go up and it's easy to access. But a unique feature for this place, and definitely a plus for any homeowner. Well, I appreciate you coming by to check out this house. It's going to be a great find for somebody, very turnkey, move-in ready. And the price point's fabulous for this market. So reach out to me if we can answer questions. And remember, Next Key Real Estate, we're unlocking futures and we're unlocking your dreams. Take care.